DO-178C Training Workshop, Tonex Training. Length, 4 days. Advanced DO-178C Training Workshop covers the main notions behind DO-178B avionics certification. It also reviews the differences between DO-178B and DO-178C. Advanced DO-178 Training Workshop intends to cover all the aspects of DO-178C guideline, as well as its supplementary standards. You will be introduced to the philosophy, rationale, and history behind DO-178C and will learn about the methods and techniques required to develop and implement it in your organization. From DO-178B to DO-178C. Revising DO-178B started in late 2004 with the supports of a cooperative committee, RTCA Special Committee No. 205, SC 205, and EUROCAE Working Group No. 71, WG 71. This revision tried to accomplish the following objectives: fixing mistakes and elucidate confusing content in DO-178B. Facilitating software technologies and standards being applied since the publication of DO-178B. Considering the additional material that support DO-178B, containing Certification Authorities Software Team, CAST, papers and issues papers, IPs. Audience. Advanced DO-178C Training Workshop is a 4-day course designed for software engineers, project managers, systems engineers, software quality engineers, test engineers, quality and process assurance personnel. Training objectives. Upon the completion of Advanced DO-178C Training Workshop, the attendees are able to understand all the parts of DO-178C, articulate the differences of DO-178B and DO-178C, discuss the background and evolution path of DO-178C, understand the DO-178C software lifecycle model, explain the constituent processes of DO-178C, discuss the usual pitfalls and problems associated with DO-178C, apply the required methods to develop and implement DO-178C, use the best practices suitable for their organization and more. Course outline. Overview of DO-178C. Overview of aviation systems. Overview of DO-178C software. DO-178C certification concerns. DO-178C software lifecycle process. DO-178C data lifecycle. Additional deliberations. DO-178C software levels. Software planning process. Verification process development. Configuration management process, CMP. DO-178C supplements standards. DO-330 software tool qualification considerations. DO-331 model-based development and verification supplement. DO-332 object-oriented technology, OOT. DO-333 formal methods supplement. Request more information regarding Advanced DO-178C Training Workshop. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.